This is my individual battery-operated air cooler. Woohoo! This is great if you need to cool off in a car, in a van, in a camper, in a tent, or even a small room. Now this air cooler, all you need for it is a 5-gallon bucket, a cover. We're going to cut a hole in it big enough for a fan. This is a battery operated fan, so yes, you won't need electricity. And a little piece of PVC pipe. This is about 1.5 inches or 2 inches, fine. And some duct tape. We all need duct tape. So the first thing you're going to do is cut a hole in the bucket cover big enough for the fan to fit in. And we're going to tape that on. Then what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole to fit this in here. I already marked where I want to put the hole, and we're going to make it right over here. And once you get the hole drilled, all you do is take the PVC and put it right in there, but you're going to have to duct tape it in. So let me go ahead and tape everything up, and I will show you the next steps. Okay, it's all finished. I have the little PVC pipe. I covered it with duct tape, so this way, and I rolled it around a few times so it would fit in here perfect. Isn't that great? So you can take it out if you want to move around with it. And the cover, there is the fan, and I taped that on, and listen to this. Can you hear that? Ooh, nice and cool, huh?
Ooh, that felt nice.
So that's going to go right on top. Now what we need to do is we need to load it with any kind of frozen product. Like I said, this takes no electricity, but you are going to need ice. And I know there's going to be somebody saying, well, how can I get ice without electricity? Hey, you're living in a van, all right? Go to 7-Eleven, buy a bag of ice. Or, let's see, here's a bag of ice. I don't have a full bag, but I got a bunch of ice cube trays. So you put your bag of ice in here. Or if that's not enough, you can put a tray of ice, okay? And if that's not enough, I have bottles of ice, okay? You can freeze them the night before. And if that's not good enough, okay, you can take a couple popsicles. They're frozen, and in the morning, you'll have juice. If that's not good enough, how about some freezer packs? So you can put anything in there. Heck, put in some frozen blueberries, and in the morning you'll have breakfast. Isn't that great?
No, get that out of there. Those are mine.
And then all you need to do is put this back on and turn it on. So that is working. Can you feel that? Ooh.
That's nice.
So if you have it in the car, you can put this on the seat beside you, or a lot of people are sleeping overnight. Matter of fact, the reason I made this is one of my viewers, one of you out there, said, hey, what can you create for me for a van? I live in my van. So at nighttime you put the ice in. This will last you probably most of the night, because once the ice is gone, you're still going to have cool water. And in the morning, like I said, if you put in a frozen steak, you have breakfast. And then you can go get some more ice for the next day. The only thing that you need is batteries. This has, I believe, 1 D-cell. And those D-cell batteries last a long time. Or you can get one of those USB fans, okay? And they'll last for about 10 hours on a charge. And in the morning, go to Dunkin' Donuts, have your donut, and plug it in to recharge it for the next day. So this is a really good solution. And yes, I said it's AC, which is air cooler, not air conditioner, because someone's going to come on and say, according to the rules of thermodynamics, you can't. Doesn't matter. It's going to make the air cooler, okay? If you want to make it more like an air conditioner, put a little fan in your car window at the top, pointing outward. Another battery-operated fan that will push the hot air out as you're putting the cool air in, just like an air conditioner. But make sure you tape up wherever you put the fan on the outsides, otherwise the air's going to come right back in. So how much cooler is it going to make it in the car? I don't know. It all depends how hot it is. But this is a cooling solution to make it cooler than it is right now. So if you want to know how cool it's going to make it, go ahead and make one. The whole thing probably costs, what's this, $5? I had PVC pipe already. The fan I already had, but that cost me about $10, and some duct tape. and the price of ice. So the whole thing's maybe $10 to $15, and you can use it over and over. Even at nighttime in your bedroom, if the air conditioner is not reaching you, it'll help a little bit. So go ahead and make one for yourself. See what kind of temperatures you're getting, and leave it in the comments, and then we'll all know. I hope you enjoyed my fan. Yes, this is one of my biggest fans. Hey, thank you for showing up. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye now.